Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2016 Kia Soul Plus. Really nice vehicle. This is back when the Soul was really quite funky. Had a really kind of unique styling to it, and it just was really neat. I'm gonna go ahead and take this flag out so it doesn't rattle through the whole drive. This is a certified pre-owned vehicle. Stay. Rear deck lid. Plenty of room set behind myself. Extremely easy to get in and out. Shadow black, 41,759 miles. Original stickers, 2016 Soul Plus, shadow black on black, 2.0 liter gas direct injection, 4-cylinder, 6-speed automatic, 17-inch alloy wheels. These things really were pretty loaded out. Tons of neat features. Options this one have the audio package, navigation system with the 8-inch display, auto climate, infinity audio system with the speaker lights, which is actually pretty cool. I'll go into the tunnel so we can see those a bit more. So it's hooked up to the subwoofers. So when the bass of a song hits, based on how loud it is, stuff like that, the speakers glow red. Pretty cool. I can't demonstrate that because copyright. And then this is also a tarmac pack. So that has projector low beam headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels with a unique finish, cloth seats with red stitching. So kind of the red accents are part of that. Remote start, interior lighting, and carpeted floor mats. All coming in at $26,145. From a base price of $19,400. I'll put that right there. That's the cool part about that. So you have these switches, and you're like, wait, wouldn't that shut the light off? Or leave the light on? You shut it, and it'll flip the switch. Pretty ingenious engineering. Also, you might have noticed windows are very distinctively shaped. You might be curious, like, alright, I like to ride with my hand out the window. It's not sharp at all. Obviously they can't do that. Let me move forward so we can check out the mood lighting. So you can see speaker lights. It's pretty cool. So you know what? Yeah, I'll put it back on music. Like I said before, these were very funky cars. They meant to be kind of quirky, kind of fun, and it definitely fulfills on that. ride is really, really nice and comfortable. Seats are very, very comfortable. You have a very upright seating position. I have the seat in its lowest setting. I can still see the hood. It's very SUV-like, which a lot of customers want without having to sacrifice and get SUV handling. Pretty ingenious marketing right there. It's a really fun car to drive. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.